Hello friends, I am Muskan. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to React Native series. In last video we talked about style. In this video I am going to tell you about React Native text input. How to handle text input and get value from input or save into a state. So let's get started. What is text input and why we use it? Text input is a core component of React Native that allows the user to enter text within the box. And then we get that input value from onChange text, which is a basic prop of text input. When user click in input onChange text, prop get the value and we can perform any task in onChange with that value. I hope now you got my point. If not, then don't worry, we will also understand with code. So let's jump to the VS Code. Let me create a file named handle input. Creating class component with RNC shortcut. Okay, so let me first import text input from React Native and then we will use text input here like this. Let's save it and jump to the app.js and import our component here from component folder and use it here like this. And when I hit save, nothing is showing up there in emulator, but when I click here you can see I can type here. So let's jump to the handle input and add placeholder here. Placeholder will be enter text. When I hit save, you can see enter text is visible as a placeholder. When I type something, placeholder is hide and text is visible on it. Now I am going to style my text input. So first we will import style sheet from React Native and create object with style sheet as we learned in the last video. Let me create an object input style. Now I am adding border width 5, border color black, and add this style to the text input. Styles.input style. When I save, you can see style is reflect in the emulator. I'm also give it margin 20, padding left 20, font size 25. I'm also giving style to the view. So I'm going to create object for it, giving it a random background color, justify content center, flex font. I'm going to add this style to the view. When I hit save, you can see style is reflect on the emulator. First, I am creating a constructor, calling super method in it, create a state with this.state, and state variable will be input with empty string, and I am adding text here for showing state value using this.state.input, and I am giving it style, text style, giving it color black, font size 30, font weight bold. Adding this style to the text, styles.textstyle, and save this. Now I am adding onChange text prop in the text input and get value from onChange and set this value to the state. So we can add here like this dot set state, and I'm going to set it to the input value. Okay, so when I type something in the input box, hello React, it reflects to the upper text because we are using state in the text. Text input has one more prop called onSubmitEditing, which takes a function to be called when the text is submitted. In that prop, we can call a function and send value to the function and perform action on it. For example, when user click on submit, we will create a function on submit_editing prop which will show the input value in alert box. So let's jump to the code. Now I am removing text component from here and add here on submit_editing prop. I am adding a function. Now I am going to add alert in this function and use this .state.input in it for showing in the alert box. So when I hit save, state will be clear. Now I am adding some text and click on submit. You can see alert box is showing up and it is showing hello React, which I type in the input box. That's all for today. If you like my work, please do like, share and subscribe.